It's a second review that I'm giving to you. Hey y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Klaiyi Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys 10 months ago. It's a second review that I'm giving to you. Yes, it is a second review on this wig that I reviewed almost a year ago, and we got some things to discuss. Before you buy this wig, or if you already bought this wig but you had some trouble, we're gonna go ahead and talk about it in this video. So before we get into that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Klaiyi Hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is officially my second review for this wig. Since my initial install, I have worn this wig out to the point that it's giving holiday heart. Got a corner, and I have not washed it since November 2022. Is that when I reviewed it? I just been spraying her down and redefining the curls, and she look a mess. Okay, she looks a mess. But honestly, I would still rock her like this. Let me show you. I literally would just pop her on my head like this. Ooh, holiday. You can see the hairline is not really hairlining, but doesn't matter because of how I rock the wig. Wait, where'd my part go? What happened to the part? I don't know if you can tell, but there's naps, okay? There's tangles all in this wig. I didn't care. I would take my spray bottle, spray it down, and then I would just fluff it out. The water definitely softens it up real quick. Y'all can see it kind of getting together. I'm not raking through the hair with my fingers. I'm pulling it like this on the outside of the hair shaft. Okay, that's what I'm doing. There's tangles, there's matting, there's a mess back there in the back, but this is how I would rock the wig out. And guess what? No one would know. If I wanted to add a little bit of mousse on the top here, I would do that. I'm just showing y'all what I do in the meantime, in between time when I don't redefine the curls. I'll wrap it down if I need to, but I don't need to today. This is how she looking on top. Fluff out the back. It does smell a little like outside, so take my silk spray, spray it up, okay? So my wig not stinking, and that's it. Holiday. That's how I would go outside. And guess what? I would get so many compliments. I love your hair color. Your hair look good. And I'm just screaming, it's a wig. You would have thought I had pockets on the dress. I mean, that is how happy I was to tell people I got a wig on. But as y'all can see, it's tangling. Okay, it's tangled up. It's matted. I told you it's a fast fashion wig. So what do you expect? Huh? Y'all, it's been like, what, 9 months? Is that what it's been? But I'm going to wash my wig. I'm going to redefine my curls, and we're going to see what she looking like after all this time. Now, before I get into washing this wig, when I first got this wig, I was told it was 150% density. Klaiyi, I think this is a 180. I saw the 150s, okay? This is 180. Make sure you are getting the 180. And y'all see how big this hair is? After all this time, when you initially style it, it may not be as big. The hair will get bigger and bigger and bigger over time. Over time. I don't gotta put makeup on to rock this one outside, and that's why I love this wig. The looks for me are always gonna be immaculate because of the curl, the texture, and the color. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash this wig. We're gonna see how much shedding we get. Ooh, I'm scared. And we're gonna redefine these curls, okay? So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. It's all washed and partially detangled. This is how she is looking. Now, y'all told me when y'all got this wig that it tangled a lot, it matted, it shed. Yes to all the above, okay? Mine did all that. And as you can see right here, doing my official second wash, it did it again. I would definitely say the shedding that I got for this unit was probably not as much as it could have been if I would have rushed through this process. This took me a good 20 minutes to wash and detangle this wig, but hopefully when I go in to define my curls and add my product to it, it'll help it out a little bit. It is a kinky curly colored wig, meaning this wig has been triple and quadruple processed to get it like this. I would definitely say my wig needs a protein treatment. It's a little dry. I used some conditioner and warm water to detangle my wig. I used my fingers if it got snags, and then I went back on top with my brush, and then I went into shampoo and used my Detangler spray, which is also a leave-in conditioner, to finish up the rest of my wash. This Detangler spray right here, it adds a good slickness to the hair, so it's easier to detangle. I still have some snags, but not as much as I would if I didn't use that spray. Y'all can see that tangle forming right there, so instead of pulling right through, let me pull it from the bottom. get it off. There we go. When you see a knot in your wig, do not try to rake it through. Take it apart with your fingers, just like that. All right, let's put the wig on so I can get my curls defined. I'm gonna split it in two like I did last time. I'm gonna try to move quick so it doesn't dry down too fast. Where's my clip? Right here in my face. I'm gonna use my double trouble, okay? So my Nairobi and my curl glaze on this wig. First up, Nairobi. I'm running out, so I'm hoping that I can get this to stretch a little bit. Get it all on the hair. Gonna need a lot of product, so I gotta saturate it. Ooh, do I have another Nairobi somewhere? This is gonna drink up my product. Use my Felicia Leatherwood brush, comb through the hair. I probably will get a little bit more shedding during this process. I can definitely see the tangles on the end here. Use your product and work it through the hair, like that. It's gonna take a little bit of time. As you can see, we got it on through. Work it on through, work it on through. I almost feel like, is that what I feel? Yeah, I kind of feel like the hair is repelling, or it was, not anymore, now that I got it, you know, worked through. It does feel like though it's repelling against the product initially, like it automatically wants to mat and tangle. Y'all literally saw me work through this hair. It's a process, okay? So it's not a quick process when you go back in to wash it. But y'all see, look at that. Do y'all see that? Smooth baby. You saw what I was going through. Use your products to your advantage. I did get some more shedding with that, okay? Y'all see that? Take a little bit of my curl glaze. Focus it mainly towards the end, because I want these to be clumped. I'm gonna clump it. The hair is starting to dry down already. Goodness gracious, hold up. Make sure I get up here at the root. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera, diffuse the hair, and then we'll come back, fluff it out, and see what she looking like. I think she gonna come together. We'll see. Okay. As I was blow drying this hair, I realized I didn't do my hairline. Get these off. Let me just bring it. I'm just gonna bring it down. Use some mousse. Do as I say, not as I do, okay? Let me clip this back so I can get it out my face. For real? I know I got a Klaiyi band somewhere. It's probably upstairs in my closet. Again, don't do it like this, okay? Do this before you define your curls. Oh, I'm gonna leave these on. I'm gonna leave these on. Want some lift up here in the front. The curls are actually looking better than the first time. I'm not gonna go in and pick it. I'm actually gonna go in and just blow dry it with my diffuser off and fluff it up that way. I'm still a little damp up here, but look at the curls. Yeah. I don't wanna use my pick because I don't want it to get super frizzy and I don't wanna add to any tangles. Right now it's looking real good, real healthy and defined. So cool and high. Woo-wee. Got a little frizz right there. I'm gonna top it with the mousse. Bring that down a little bit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna take off my band so I can fix my lace. Here we go, here we go. This lace is ashy when you step outside. I just gotta blend out my edges. Where is the brush that I'm looking for? I'm just using a little contour around the edges. Ooh, that's a little dark. Ooh, that's dark, that's dark. That was too much, that was too much. Let me take some of that off. Blend that out. Hold up, let me fix my wig cap because I want my edges protected. All right, now bring it down, bring it down. Work with what I got. Take off these clips, fluff out the rest of the hair. Let me see, am I getting any tangles? Barely. The hair is feeling good. I'm not feeling a bunch of tangles at the nape anymore. I think we did it, y'all. Okay, let's look. We got movement? Yeah. Okay, ooh, wait a minute. Got a little lightheaded. We got this wig back together. This unit is not super high quality. I do consider it to be a fast fashion wig. Just put this one on for the looks, okay? For the looks. What did I say? Put it in the comments. For the what? Everyone. However, Klaiyi hair is now stepping it up with certain specs that you can get on your wig. They now offer bleach knots, plucked hairlines, and a little bit wider parting spaces on certain wigs. So the hair quality still gotta catch up, but I'll take it. Some of y'all did say that the curl of your unit did kind of lengthen after a while. So I would definitely say this is the true length of the wig that I got. I'm pretty sure I got 18 or 20 inch. Again, my specs are in the description box. In my initial install, I had a lot of frizz around this area, and I don't know if I used the curl glaze or not. If I didn't, then that could be the trick, okay? But if I did, I probably didn't use enough. Use your products and take your time, okay? Both. You gotta do both. You can't just do one or the other. We still sit in glueless too, y'all. If I want extra security, I can put a little tacking right there, a little even spray, or got to be, and go on about my business. In the initial install, I did wear it in a ponytail. This is a 13x4 lace frontal, so I do have some sides on my wig. Let me pull it down like that. But I'm wearing mine out today because that's how I wore it in the initial install, so we're gonna keep it like this. Here I was thinking I could just rock the wig like it was out the pack. Y'all saw my delusion. But yeah, y'all, what we think? Let me go ahead and get up out of here because I gotta be seen. That's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit from Klaiyi Hair down below, so if you guys wanna check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.